be on softy because look at that, kind of very, very strong on the day. Very distinctly different than some of these other names here. We can look at Tesla. We can at NVIDIA. Look at that Tesla reversion all the way back in on Tesla. So that's absolutely absolutely wild there. So that's selling definitely still dominant on the day. Apple, we'll take a look at that one as well. So Apple comes back into VWAP, maybe now taking a little bit of a pullback here. So
all right, guys, we're live. I just want to share with you what I did in the morning here. It moves so quick that it's impossible, really. It's it's almost impossible to live stream and do all the trades all at the same time. I wasn't very prepared for this morning, but looking at the chart, we have the 1 minute here, and it started giving you a fake signal, a fake bull signal, and then boom, it came down. And right after that jobs report, did a couple of candles on the upside, but I took profits on the downside. Then I noticed that it was forming this fair value gap, so I said I'm gonna take profits right here. Waited for the bounce and went short once the second bounce happened, but it's because a lower low, right? So you got a lower low, or lower high. Excuse me, lower high, lower high, lower high, and yeah. So I took that short right here, and right now it would be a good moment. Let me see here. So you're staying flexible. You stay flexible. You stay flexible. Of course, will be. Let's go. Not yet. Once this candle finishes, let's see what it does. We are 40 seconds into it. 20 seconds, less than 20 seconds to go. We are green on the options today, this morning. That's great. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Seconds. I'll put my trade on Robinhood. Technically, I'm here. Oh, no, not this one. This one. Technically, I'm here. Cool. All right, we're in. Let's see. Let's see if it's a win. Let's see if it's another win. Let's go. Let's go short. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. There you go. That's almost one candle. Up $1. Ah, come on. Here's my stop right here. All right. See what it does. This one is engulfing that red one, so I could have been wrong, but we'll see. We'll see. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go, baby. Go down. Getting ready to close it. I put 4 contracts. All right. Oh, no. Right there. Yep. All right, guys. Ready to close this contract. Put. Come on, close. I'm waiting for the candle to close lower. Just a little bit more lower. Just a little. There you go. And now I am out. Done. Cool. Got some profits there. There you go. It doesn't matter if it keeps going down. That's the wrong mentality. It did what it's supposed to be doing. It did what I wanted to do. And now I'm good. Now I'm good. Now I just relax, chill, see what it does. Does it reach this point? Does it bounces back? So far, it's just getting lower and lower. but don't get on the last candle, last minute, because then he does a pullback, right? Then he pushes back, and now you are in that area of like, oh, what if, or like, oh, let me take my money out, and then it goes back down, and then so you're not so you're gambling at that point, right? But we're not gambling here. We're analyzing the probability. Right now, we know there is tariff coming up tomorrow, starting tomorrow with Canada. So the war on tariff is on. The war is on. Bring it on, baby. And yeah, taking a toll on aluminum, materials, energy. So even though the data in the morning seemed to be positive, but no, it was just a fake positive, fake out. And like I said, notice a fair value gap, boom, waited to see what it was going to do, bounced right back into it. And when he did a lower low, not really lower low, but a lower high here, it's like, okay, it's a lower high from this. So, okay, I said, okay, what on the downside? And I started tracing my trend right here. First, I was right there touching that point. Now it's touching these points right here, which are obvious. And I go off trends and fair value gaps and bounces and reactions. You want to play the reaction. You don't want to play the guessing game. You know, you don't want to play, oh, I feel like it's gonna go up, oh, I feel like it's gonna go down. You don't want to do that. You just want to go off what is more likely to happen, right? And the most likely thing to happen here, when you see that sellers are have the upper hand, is to go down, right? Is to go down. Simple as that, folks. Simple as that. And now I'm just gonna see what he does. Okay, now it's running way low. Okay. So it's really up to you. So right here, all these oranges are my bounces level. So look, I think it's gonna reach a level easily. Ooh, wow, what a move. What a move, my guy. What a move. Watch it. I say watch it. This thing is moving like crazy. I cannot believe it. It's just insane. Watch it. I may go short because I know this is my next target. So it just passed, or it may finish. You see that? There you go. It finished 0.05, and now it's going back up. Or it may go down, but now it's going back up. So now it's doing something. So I'm just waiting for the reaction. What's going to happen? I'm waiting for the reaction. Okay, no, it's definitely on the way down. Definitely on the way down. So I'm gonna go in. Let's see if it filled it in. It didn't fill it in. Did it fill it in? No, it didn't fill it in. 68, 69. I'm out for ask. No, 07. Let's see what it does. I expect a little bounce here. We'll see if it bounces. Look, that wick right there is just about to touch that orange line of my support. There you go. I knew it. You see? So you want to trade the reaction. There you go. As expected, folks. As expected. We're not gambling here. We're just seeing high probability settings, high probability scenarios. And as expected, if it passed through one line, my high chances are that it might bounce on the next support level, right? Or not. But we'll see. Ooh, it's just flashing. It just wants to flash. It just wants to go down. Jesus. How much lower is gonna go? Damn. All right. That's what it's doing. That's what it's doing, folks. Let's see. 1 second. Boom. It finished on green. There you go. You see that? So you always gotta wait until that last candle close to your support level or resistance level, depending, and see what it does, right? Now it could be, if you're up for it, it could be for a call, but I wouldn't go for a call based on the trend that I have right here. It seems like this line is resistance. So if you want to go for a call, you would wait for that candle to close and see if it keeps going on the long side, or you play the downside, right? Or you play the downside like you think it's gonna pass through that level 55441, right? So I think it's gonna go probably lower. We are already almost about to finish that minute. 54, 5 seconds to close that candle, and the upper wick hasn't even touched it. There you go. Suspected. Okay, so we might be for the downside, guys. We really might be for the downside right now. Wow. Keeps flushing down the toilet. All those gains from 2020. I mean, the previous years, really. Jeez. It's just a bloodbath. It's happening. It's happening, folks. It's happening. I think I may go in based on this candle. It might pull back a little bit. We're already 10 seconds from closing this candle, so we'll see what it does. We'll see. I'm keeping a close eye to it. This will be the fourth trade of the day. There you go. Okay, no, doesn't respect it. It just wants to. Okay, what are the other ones doing? So you gotta keep in mind, Microsoft is the only one that is standing tall. Tesla, the one of the biggest drivers of the SP 500, it's just on the downside. Where is Meta? Where is my Meta? Where is Meta? Meta. Volunteer. There you go. Okay. Kind of wants to reverse. What's the RSI? It's already it's on a resistance level, I would say, around here. Here you can see high volume, so you expect that bounce maybe. Where's Apple? Ooh, Apple took it in the chin. Apple took it in the chin, guys. Jesus. Okay, well, let's go back to SPY. What do you do? All right. It's going on the upside now. Okay. Well, luckily I didn't go in. I didn't go in on the trade. I was waiting. See what happens. So you see, expect a bounce here. It might as well bounce back down once it reaches this level 5.5. The 5.5s. So you could place a call there, or it might just stop right here on my resistance that I predicted. Now, also you gotta keep in mind external factors, right? This is just technical analysis, but what is the external factors telling us? We'll have to check the news. What's new in the Trump era? What's new? Ooh, we just got out of that trend. We'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye. Trump additional 25% tariff to 50% tariff on all steel and aluminum coming into the U.S. Holy cow. All right. The United States is not going to be subsidizing Canada any longer. Okay, so this is just the last call. Last call on respect to tariffs. There you go. There you have it. All right. And I see all these morons on YouTube. Honestly, there's another way to call it. Saying, hey, it's gonna be long. Pushing the market, just hyping it up for no reason. When in reality, there is nothing to be selling here. It's obviously a bear's market. It's going down. It's obvious. And they like to, I don't know if they want to recover some of their losses or what. But they keep saying in the morning, I keep looking at some of these guys like, oh, I'm gonna be long. It's long. And I'm like, why? why? There is nothing new. There is nothing outside, outside like external factors, news or investments or technology or something that has a catalyst. Nothing like a catalyst that has changed change the perspective of the market at all. Zero, literally zero, right? So let's see what it did. So there's my trend line there, averaging out the peaks of the weeks, and it wanted to come out. I had it right here previously. It wanted to come out, boom. Looks like it's on the upside. Luckily, I didn't go for the downside here. I was gonna go for the downside, but I waited for confirmation. It went up, okay, and it's engulfing that other one. So I said, okay, well, not yet. So let's see what it does. And like I said minutes ago, might be bouncing on the resistance level, and then or not. So we'll see what it does. I think a lot of it is gonna be about this fair value gap right here that I found on the 1 minute. It could be going back to the area and then going back down. But again, a lot of it is also what are the other major ones are doing. What are they doing? Let's see. You kind of have like a double top-ish, and it could be on the upside. Nvidia started the day good on a good note, and then it just went down like a wreck. Took it in the chin, Nvidia. Tesla is just, it wants to kind of recover, kind of not. It's trading around the same levels of the lows yesterday. Right now it's on the downside though. What else? Uber, Apple. Is that a fair value gap? Yeah, that's another one. That's another one right here. Keep an eye on this one. Look what we just found here. Maybe there. Yeah, right there. Maybe another one right here-ish. And this level kind of matches with see what matches. You see that high volume line right here? So that I'm gonna mark that down. So that's how I usually mark it down to see what it does here. You see a lot of high liquidity area there. Boom. You can see there. All right. See what it does. Back to SPY. SPY up, SPY down. SPY up, SPY down. All right, let's see if we can put another, if we have a good setup to go for another trade. Let's go. Let's do it. High energy. Again, I see a lot of these guys on YouTube saying, oh, it's a long at the beginning of the day. And they kept that long for a long time. And all these people just watching the video and like, why are you going for a long? It's obviously a short. It's a bear market at this point. It's no kidding. It's going down. Like what? Why? I don't know. I feel like they want to hype up the market and have all the retail investors, go for longs. They have like 10,000 views or something, and so they can recover some of their money from the market. I really don't know. But look at that. As predicted, went down, bounced on that resistance level or support, resistance, going down. I was looking and scanning through other stocks, but I think you still have chance to go on the low. I definitely think so. And now you readjust your trend, right? Now you wanna redo your setup. Now you wanna make sure you redo your setup. Why? Because everything is flexible. Everything is you gotta stay flexible. You gotta stay flexible. You gotta see what the psychology of the market is doing at that moment. So who has the upper hand? So that's how I like to play it, and I play it by the minute, sometimes the 5 minute, but I play it as it goes. I don't go and say, hey, I think today is gonna be long like they do, and they just go full on like no. So you see so you kind of have an idea what it does. Okay, I feel like he's doing this. I feel like he's doing that. Let's see if he respects it. If he respects it, it's how we Palantir. Palantir is just a roller coaster, guy. Roller coaster. Roller coaster. All right. Let's see. See if it bounces back up. I think if it bounces and I see another candle going down, I go short. All right. Been waiting for this one. Let's go. Let's see what happens. All right. I think I'm gonna go short on this one. It's kind of consolidating though. It kind of wants to go sideways on right now. Like it's around 10, 11. It kind of wants to go sideways. So watch out for that. Watch out for that. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Nice, guy. Nice. Well done. All right. All right. Look at that. We're on the upside. Okay. All right. So what's going to happen? It's going to go back to probably to this region. Let's go along. Now is the moment to go along. Gotta do quickly though. SPY. It could be long. Oh no. All right. Well, never mind then. Let's see. Confirmation? Should we wait for confirmation? Maybe. Should we just ride one more candle up? Maybe. Let's see what it does. We are 7 seconds for it to close. 7 seconds. All right. All right. Damn. All right. What happened? All right, we're on the long. We're riding long right now. Okay, broke that trend. All right. I like it. Like it, but for how long? That is the question. For how long is it gonna ride that trend? If you see the green candles, here it got longer, here it got shorter. This one doesn't look very promising. Doesn't look very promising. So you gotta watch out if you gotta go for a long, because it might be for a short period of time. Very short, very short. And right now, I think it's gonna start around 11 right now. 12 is gonna start doing that consolidation as well as yesterday. Kind of was it yesterday? Starting playing this game of like up down a little bit, just chopping, and then around 1, 2 past noon flushes, or it might gain momentum on the up to the upside, and it might start picking up. But for now, you see that it's going back into these areas, bouncing in these areas. So not much. You gotta watch out. You gotta watch out if you want to catch it for a downside, which is what I'm inclined to right now. I'm inclined for the downside. Catch it on the upside, like right now, and you see the other side as well there. Agreeing with you, a little high. So you can go for 1 or 2 candles and you're done. You don't have to be there for a long time.